Kuya!
Bye!
Right.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ano ba?
Message mo kay Kuya.
Uwi ka na dito. Inumin na natin to.
Ito na.
Ano to?
Bot.
Yan o. Uwi ka na.
Ayan, Kuya, ngayon na birthday mo, I wish you all the best in life, good health, for the whole family, and more blessings to come. So kahit magkalayo tayo, alam mo naman, you're always here in our heart. So, I love you, Kuya. I miss you.
May pulutan tayo.
Enjoy your day. To si Yan, happy
Happy
birthday. Be a good boy lagi ha. Alagaan mo si baby Cyril. And to baby Cyril, welcome to the Christian world. Love, Tita Ninang and Tito Ninong. And Boboy.